Welcome to Kloud. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to create a buyer pro forma invoice directly on WhatsApp. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. In the chat window, simply type, "Hi Kloud." This short greeting is all you need to get started. Very quickly, the system will respond and begin guiding you through the setup. The first choice you'll make is to select the internet. The next step is to choose your business unit. This ensures that the invoice you create is tied to the right unit within your organization. Now, from the list of available options, go ahead and select Buyer PI as the type. Immediately after that, tap on View Form. And in just a moment, the form will open right in front of you inside WhatsApp. Here comes the important part, filling in the form. You'll be asked to enter a few essential details. These include the party name, the payment terms, the party address, and the currency in which you'll be transacting. Along with these, you'll also see fields for loading port, discharge port, and final destination. These three are completely optional. So, if you don't need them, you can leave them blank and continue. Once that's done, it's time to choose your shipment type. You can pick between air shipment, containerized shipment, or break bulk. Next, you'll need to pick the delivery type. Here, you'll see options like FOB, FAS, CIF, or CNF. Again, just at this stage, the form will ask you about partial shipment. If partial shipments are allowed for your order, select Yes. In that case, you'll also be asked to provide the container details. If partial shipment is not allowed, simply select No and move forward. There's also a section for other expenses or charges. This field is optional. You can use it only if there are additional costs you want to include. Now, go ahead and set the offer validity. Choose the date till which the offer will remain valid, and once that's confirmed, press Continue. In the next step, it's time to enter the item details. For each item, you'll need to provide three things: the item name, the rate, and the quantity. If you have more than one item, the system will ask you if you'd like to add another. If you choose Yes, a new page will open where you can continue adding as many items as you need. If you're done, simply select No, and the process will move to the final stage. And here's the best part. Once you've saved the Proforma invoice, a professional PDF copy will be generated instantly. This document will be delivered directly to your WhatsApp chat. From there, you can download the file,